Welcome back or welcome to the ice cream headquarters where you will get all your flavors or different types of ice cream. And today we are sharing creamy ice cream without heavy cream. And trust me, this was absolutely delicious. Everyone who ate this, fell in love with it. And trust me, you will love it as well. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, this is Lena, and if you're returning, thank you so much. So exhibitors, I have my milk here, and that is 5 cups of whole milk. You can use any milk of choice. If you use coconut milk, soy milk, or any milk of choice, okay? So now I have with me here my egg. That is 1 egg, okay? I have mixed it very well. So I'm just going to take some of the milk and then mix it with the egg. So the milk is warm, okay? I had it there. We don't satuma ebi. And at this moment there is no fire under it, okay? So I'm just going to mix that very well with the egg, and then we proceed. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and the reason why you have to follow us on all social media platforms or here, or you have to subscribe, is that we share easy recipes, okay, which you will love them. Thank you so much for doing that. Now in my small bowl I have a tablespoon of cornstarch, and I've added some of the milk to it. I'll go ahead, mix it very well. You make sure there is no lump in it, okay? And then you add it to it. But in case you get it lumpy, I will share with you what you are supposed to do, okay? So in all, we are going to use 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, but I will intentionally make one lumpy because of you, because of the love I have for you, okay? So you can see that it is very smooth, right? So just add it to it and then keep mixing. Mix it very well and make sure it does not become lumpy. But in case it becomes lumpy, as I said earlier, I'm going to share with you what to do. So the next step will be for those who maybe they will not do it intentionally. Maybe accidentally it will happen, and then that is what you are supposed to do. So I did not show that in the camera, but it has become lumpy as I'm talking to you right now. So I will show you what you will do, okay? Next ingredient is a tablespoon of butter. You can use margarine, you can use plant-based butter or anything, okay? So mix that very well and then we will continue. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? Leave me your comment in the comment section, okay? So we have 3 channel. The name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us on YouTube at Recipe Goddess. You will get the recipes in 3 language. It is not the same video we upload here, which we send there as well, okay? It's different. So now in case you get that lumpy mixture, you just have to strain it. As you can see, it is very lumpy. Just strain it like how you are seeing on the screen, and then you are good to go, okay? So it's as simple as that. Yeah, now I will make sure I get all the liquid from there, and as I talk to you, oh my goodness, it is absolutely creamy, just like you using whipping cream or using heavy cream. I'm just going to allow it to cool down and then we can continue. Thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful. It has cooled down a little bit, but I have other things to do, so I have to attend to it. Now I've added some vanilla, you can use any flavor of your choice. If you have nutmeg, you can just add a pinch of nutmeg to it, and oh my goodness, it adds some flavor to it. I have some ice cream recipe that I used nutmeg, and it was so nice. At this moment, if you want to add milk powder, you can go ahead and add the milk powder, okay? But we just want to make this in a simple or easy way. We don't want to hoard it with a lot of ingredients. We just want to make it such a way that everyone can prepare this at home. I've added condensed milk. With the condensed milk, use any quantity of choice according to your taste, okay? Not everyone wants it very sweet, so we are not going to make this very sweet, okay? If you've been here for so long, you know we don't like sugar. Yes, now this is what we have. Just look at that, absolutely creamy, and it looks so delicious. Just look at that, so perfect. At this moment, if you want to drop in some color, different types of food colors, you can go ahead and do so, but we are okay with it, okay? We are okay with it. It looks a bit yellowish because of the butter and then the egg. Yeah, we are not going to add any food color to it. Now we are going to start tying this in a rubber. You can pour it in the cup and then just put some sticks in it, and then you are good to go. But we are not going that way, but we are just going to tie it in the rubber. So we have our funnel here. You pour it in like that, and then after that you start tying it. That is what we are going to do. So this is the way you tie it, okay? Not everyone knows how to tie it because not only Ghanaians are watching me, okay? So after that, that is what we have. I am just going to keep this in the freezer overnight, or 4-6 hours. It should be ready according to the kind or type of freezer you use. Mine will be ready within 5 hours. Yes, it's a powerful freezer. Now I'll keep it in, and then I'll meet you tomorrow because it is very late here. It has been well arranged in there, and let me show you how it looks the next day. Absolutely inviting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will try this recipe, and I hope this was helpful. It can be a business idea, so try your hands on it and let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching. You can't afford to miss the next upload. I will see you soon. Bye bye.